Füssen, which has been inhabited for 700 years, is a town with a beautiful natural settings and a fascinating history. The Hohes Schloss, often known as the High Castle, dominates the old town. The castle, which houses a part of the Bavarian State Art Gallery that exhibits Gothic and Renaissance art, is one of the biggest and best preserved Gothic castles in all of Bavaria. The most famous feature of Füssen is its location in the Königswinkel and its proximity to King Ludwig's Fantasy Palace, which is why it is frequently referred to as the romantic soul of Bavaria. The romantic road, which runs from Füssen to Würzburg and is one of the most picturesque German holiday roads, begins here. Füssen has centuries-old streets and buildings, as well as a palace in the heart of the city. Surprisingly, this small town has not one but two castles. One is thought to be the inspiration for Cinderella's castle at Disneyland. It's so appealing that the entire town resembles a backlot set in Hollywood. The light snowfall that blanketed everything in sight only added to its allure. A stroll through the medieval town center with its colorful gabled houses is highly recommended. There are many restaurants and cafes in Füssen where you can relax and recover from your sightseeing. There are pizzerias and other international restaurants to choose from, as well as local cuisines. Füssen is not only blessed with beautiful natural scenery, but it is also rich in history and charm. Füssen is the highest town in the German state of Bavaria, located on the banks of the river Lech and close to several lakes, including the Forgen Sea. Boat trips on Lake Froggen provide stunning views of the mountains and lake, as well as excellent onboard facilities. They can also be combined with cycling tours around the lake, as bicycles can be brought on board for free. Lake cruises are available from June to September. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The picturesque canyon unfolds on the river ledge, where the clear blue alpine water rushes through this spectacular scenery, are only a short stroll from the town center. Füssen is well known as a wellness and spa destination, as well as a neat spa town. Many hotels and wellness centers provide package deals and welcome day visitors to their spas and saunas. Füssen is an ideal place to unwind, recover, or detox due to the combination of natural remedies, hydrotherapy, spas and saunas, as well as opportunities for gentle exercise and tranquil scenery. The Füssen City Tourist Bureau or website offers a variety of spa packages with options to suit all needs and budgets. Füssen is a biker and walker's paradise with more than 1,500 kilometers of riding and more than 200 kilometers of trekking routes nearby. Hiking and cycling in the lakes and mountains of Füssen are safe and enjoyable because of the area's low level of traffic on the roads and good network of well-maintained off-road routes and trails. Additionally, the infrastructure and amenities are first-rate, with many businesses renting bicycles and numerous hotels and guest houses dedicated specifically to walkers and cyclists. There are also options for taking bicycles on public transportation to make longer trips much simpler. For hikers who want to combine scenery and history, the Tourist Information Center offers a variety of guided tours for hikers of varying fitness levels at very reasonable prices. Similarly, there are numerous cycling excursions accessible to riders of all levels, and even now exists the option to hire electric bikes. Excellent maps, GPS data, and even a network of B&Bs or bed and bicycles are available for independent cyclists. Bed and Bicycle hosts offer lodging, cycling guidance, secure bicycle storage and even assistance with repairs.